In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your shop bio in an Etsy tutorial that's perfect for beginners. Whether you're looking to freshen up your store's profile or perhaps you're setting up an online presence for the very first time, having an attractive and comprehensive shop bio is a crucial step. To begin, let's head over to the Shop Manager on Etsy. You'll want to make sure you're logged into your Etsy account, and once you are, look for the option labeled Shop Manager. It's your go-to hub for all things related to your Etsy store, and it's conveniently located in the upper right corner once you're logged in. Click on that, and from the menu, select Edit Shop. This is where you'll manage all aspects of your store, from the images potential customers see to the compelling biography that tells them exactly what sets your shop apart. As you navigate to the editing section, you'll want to scroll down until you find the section labeled About Your Shop. This part of your profile is incredibly important because it's where you get the chance to introduce yourself to your potential buyers. It'll give them insight into who you are, what you do, and why your shop is unique. Make sure your bio showcases your passion, your story, and what inspires your creations or the curated items you offer. Now let's dive into writing or editing your bio. Crafting your bio can be a bit of an art form. You want it to be engaging, informative, and reflective of your brand. A good starting point is to explain what inspired you to start your Etsy shop. What unique skills, perspectives, or materials do you bring to your creations? This is your opportunity to personally connect with visitors, so try to write in a friendly, conversational tone. Remember, people love to support a story they can relate to. Be sure to highlight any special techniques, experiences, or qualifications that set you apart from others in your field. Once you're happy with your bio, don't forget to save your changes. This step might seem obvious, but it's crucial. No one wants to spend time perfectly curating their narrative only to have it disappear. Just look towards the bottom of the page or at the top right to find the Save button. Give it a click, and just like that, you're all set. Your Etsy shop bio is updated, offering your visitors a fresh and inviting glimpse into your world. I hope you found this walkthrough clear and helpful. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you want to tweak or refresh your bio. A well-crafted shop bio can go a long way in building trust and connection with your customers. Thank you for watching, and happy selling on Etsy.